Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today I'm going to walk you through our outdoor theater setup. Let's get into it. So since we are remote and we don't have a power source out here, we need a generator to be able to power everything that's going on. The generator that we went with was the 2300 watt Ryobi generator, and the nice thing about this thing is it's super quiet. It's perfect for tailgates and events like this where you don't want a whole bunch of ambient noise from the generator. It's got a CO detect on there. You can connect to it via Bluetooth, and on your phone monitor how many hours are remaining, as well as reset the generator if it ever gets overloaded. So as far as the setup goes, out of the generator there are two plugs, one of which goes to the blower that inflates the inflatable theater screen. The other comes over here, and we've got a three-way that's going to allow us to power our projector as well as charge a computer that's connected to the projector. If you're within a Wi-Fi network, connecting to internet and streaming is fairly straightforward. However, since we are remote, we're out in the woods, we don't have Wi-Fi, I've got my phone here that I'm using as a hotspot. The computer is connected to that. I've got a power cord here that charges my phone from the computer as well. And then from there, since now our laptop has internet, we can stream via Netflix or Hulu or whatever your streaming platform may be. So the laptop is connected to the projector via HDMI, and then obviously the projector is powered, as well as the charger cord to the computer is powered so that we don't run out of juice during the movie. Now obviously the audio from the laptop is not going to be enough, so what we did was we connected via Bluetooth to the new Ryobi 18-volt speaker. That way we could put the speaker right where we needed it and everybody could hear the movie clearly. I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor for this video, Ryobi. Not only did we use their generator to power the whole thing, we also used a lot of their outdoor tools to clean up this area and get it ready. I had to clear out that space where the movie screen is. I used their weed eater to do that, as well as I used their chainsaw, their 40-volt chainsaw, which is incredibly powerful, by the way, with a 16-inch bar to be able to cut down some of the old logs that are in our woods and use them for firewood. They also have 40-volt blowers, which are great for all the leaves that are falling now, as well as the vac attack, which is really cool. It's a mulcher leaf vacuum, which is perfect for those spots that maybe you can't blow those leaves out of. One of the tools I've been most impressed with is their 40-volt Whisper Series blower. This thing is incredibly powerful, however, it's still very quiet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that this is going to get a lot of use. We'll be able to not only use it down here by the fire pit, but take it to friends' house for gatherings so we can watch TV outside and be able to socially distance throughout the football season and all that fun stuff. But wait, before you go, make sure you check out this video up here. YouTube thinks you'll like it, and I do too. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that one right there. And if you want the written step-by-step guide to this setup, make sure you hit this one right here. Until next time, be safe and happy building.